Hello everyone, this is Alfie Autumn here, and today we're playing Cat Mario. So, I'm not excited for this. I am gonna rage. Keep in mind, I have my windows open, so I'm probably so people are gonna think I'm a crazy person. So let's start with the stupid freaking ad. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay. Okay. Oh. What? Oh, okay, I see how it is. Okay. Pac-Man, if you're watching this, please make a reaction of this. Thank you. If you don't want to, that's fine. Oh, shh. Okay, I know there's gonna be something in that pipe. I just know. Okay, how am I supposed to get through there? And die of spice again. Woo! Woohoo! This is not my... What? Oh, wow. Wow. Seriously, wow. Jump. 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 Wait, what? When you fall down, you will find the way. Maybe. What do you mean I will find the way? I don't want to die again. Dude, there's nothing in there. Why you keep... I keep pressing the down button. Like, seriously, I keep pressing the down button. I keep pressing this. Wow, seriously. Whoa. Okay. Jump on you, jump on you, jump on you. And then dodged. Oh, yep, I knew there's something that's gonna be in that pipe. I knew. I'm gonna try. Guys, I'm trying to keep my cool because. Okay. Okay, I see how it is. 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 You want me to rage, don't ya? You want me to freaking rage. I know what it is. I have to be quick. I have to be quick. Okay, that's the plan. I need to be quick. Come on. Come on. Why do I keep... Okay. Okay. Okay, jump on you, dodge of you, and oh no. Oh. Okay, is there gonna be a trap? What? What the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? Ah, very fun, guys. This game is fun. I really love it. Oh my god. Please. Please. Is that a piece of candy? Delicious. Okay, it is delicious. Stop, please, stop getting that spike. I'm sick of it. Guys, I'm sick of it. Speed run. Okay, speed run. You know, I pressed this, guys. I pressed the jump button. I pressed the jump button. This stupid cat is wearing a vampire costume for some reason. And turns into a skeleton when I die. You know what? I'm gonna choose... Kill me? Yes, kill me. Yeah, seriously, kill me. How many times? Speedrun. Okay. There's gonna be spikes. Yep, I knew it. There's gonna be spikes. My god. Oh! Oh, Charlie, I want to strangle you so hard. And of course, I broke that. I literally broke that. And I broke that again. Stop going. Go to the left. Go to the left. Go to the left. Ooh. Oh my god. You know what? I'm going back to... You know what? I'm going to choose a different game, alright, guys? I'm going to choose a different game. Wow!